Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm building a 12-volt DC battery backup system using 3.7-volt, 18,650 lithium-ion cells, along with a 40A BMS board. This setup is great for powering routers, CCTV cameras, fiber modems, or any low-power 12-volt device during power cuts. Let me show you exactly how I'm putting this together. So these are all the parts I'll be using. The 18,650 cells, the 40A BMS board, and the wiring. The BMS handles charging, protection, and balancing, so it's the heart of this backup system. Next, I glued the batteries together according to the series order. A 3S setup combines the cells into 3 groups to reach the voltage needed for a stable 12-volt output. Once the cells are in place, everything is firmly secured so the pack stays stable during use. Next, I'm connecting the batteries to each other and to the BMS using wires. To ensure a strong, reliable bond, I use soldering flux on the battery terminals before soldering. The flux helps the solder flow evenly, creates a better electrical connection, and reduces the risk of a cold joint. With careful soldering, the cells are securely connected and ready for the next steps in the build. Now it's time to make the connections to the 3S 40A BMS board. Each battery group in the 3S arrangement is connected to its matching point on the BMS, and the board handles all the balancing and protection automatically. After connecting the battery groups, I also attach the main positive and negative lines for charging and output. The input goes through the BMS so the cells charge safely, and the output comes directly through the board as well. This ensures the voltage stays within the safe operating range of the batteries and the connected device. Now let's power it up. I plug in the charger first to confirm the BMS starts managing the charging correctly. Now it's time to test the backup system. I connect a 12-volt LED bulb to the output to check if the battery pack is supplying stable power. Once connected, the bulb lights up immediately, showing that the pack is delivering steady 12 volts. And that's the complete build of my 12-volt DC battery backup using 18,650 cells with a 3S 40A BMS. Since this BMS is rated for 40 amps maximum, you can safely increase the capacity by adding more 18,650 cells in parallel, as long as the total current stays within that 40A limit. This lets you expand the backup time without changing the voltage, making the system flexible, powerful, and perfect for keeping your router or CCTV running during power cuts. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.